Welcome to Tech Talks. Today we are going to discuss on a very interesting subject, why AI workflow automation fails for SMBs and how it can work. So today we know that every SMB or every organization is now talking about or thinking about AI automation within their organization. Now obviously AI automation through workflows can automate different tasks within an organization where they require a lot of effort, manual effort or repetitive effort to complete those tasks. And as we know, SMBs nowadays, SMB means often they have number of employees which are maybe between 10 to 50. So they have limited number of bandwidth and limited number of things to do. And these employees, these resources that they have, they want their resources to be working on productive tasks. And that's why this AI workflow automation nowadays is no longer considered only by enterprises, but used a lot within SMBs, small and mid-sized enterprises. So now the question is that there are a lot of SMEs with whom we are getting in touch, and we have seen that they are working or thinking on AI workflow automation, integration through some AI scenarios, or let's say any system integration. They want things to be implemented, but even after, let's say, whenever we are interacting with them after 6 months or 8 months, we have seen that they have not achieved 60% of their target criteria. So for an example, they have a plan to save, or they have a plan to automate 10 tasks and save 200 man hours in a particular month, so that those man hours can be redirected towards more productive things, towards strategic thinking, towards these kind of activities. But after 6 months down the line, whenever we are interacting with them back, checking how much they have achieved, often we have seen that instead of saving 200 man hours, they may be able to save 100 man hours. And on top of that, 20 more man hours are being employed or required to correct certain things. So actually the desired outcome are not achieved. So when an SME is not able to achieve desired outcome, often the blame goes to the way the AI workflow works. So they think that AI workflow automation project failed. But now in today's session, we will try to understand that what are the reasons because of which AI workflow automation in SME or in SMB is not that successful in most cases. What are the primary reasons for that, and how they can be successful, how they can make it work. So I have 4 primary reasons, and I will talk about solutions about each of those reasons. So the first primary reason is, in a small mid-sized enterprise, the ERPs they are using, for an example, SAP Business One, or maybe Dynamics 365 Business Central, it can be NetSuite, it can be QuickBooks Enterprise. These kind of very popular ERPs, these organizations, these SMEs are using for their entire organization's operation. Now the advantage is that ERP functionally works very well within the organization, and it helps them to coordinate within the organization, work as a single unit rather than different departments. So you all know the advantages of ERP. Now in terms of AI workflow automation, whenever they are thinking or whenever they try to do, often the tool they choose, that tool is not ERP native. That tool is not meant to work with those particular ERPs, because those tools are not do not have function to support every capability within the ERP system. So in this way, what happens is the workflows that they design with a kind of makeshift ERP connection or ERP integration, those tools do not, those workflows, AI workflows, do not work perfectly in coordination with the ERP system. So that's, I think, one of the primary reasons that the AI workflow actually fails within SME. The second is the workflow designed where a custom integration with the ERP is in plan or implemented, that require a lot of developers help. So that require coder to create those workflows, because the endpoints of the ERP is not that present or not that vast, and that really creates a blocker for the organization, because developers' help is needed whenever they require to change or tweak the workflow. The third one of the I think primary reason why this AI workflow automation project fails or not cannot achieve the desired criteria is because longer implementation cycle. So though the AI workflow creation or designing can be fast, but when it comes of talking to the ERP system, talking to several other applications, it takes it creates complication, and that's where the delay is there. In many platform, the platform is complex. It is not well designed to be maintained within the organizations by their employees. So I think this long implementation cycle of weeks and months, that creates one of the like users do not like such long implementation cycle, and they face problem. I think the fourth one is, in many cases, SMEs tries to use the tool which are actually built for enterprise. So when they try to use enterprise tools, often it is very costly and often it is very complex. So it may not be appropriate by the SMEs, and their project fails, or their project doesn't meet the desired criteria or desired result. Now these are the primary four reasons. Now what are the solution? How they can make sure that AI workflow automation can work for SMEs? Because nowadays I think SMEs require AI workflow automation most, right? So the primary thing is they need to choose a tool, a platform, an AI workflow platform or AI workflow orchestration platform which has ERP first and not API first. Because in most cases SMEs choose API first, which supports variety of APIs, but they need that particular platform which can support their own ERP very well, because ultimately the workflow need to connect, get data or post data to ERP several times within a particular workflow. So ERP first is the solution through which the SME can reach their desired goals. The second is the platform need to be easy to maintain, because SMEs cannot spend thousands and thousands of dollars towards every changes, and for that they are hiring developers. The platform need to be very easy to use, easy to maintain, easy to change, so that their team, their small IT team of 1 or 2 people can be able to design new workflows, can be able to tweak existing workflows. So easy maintenance is one of the key criteria. The third thing is time to implement, because an indefinite implementation time which takes months, or let's say 8 weeks, 10 weeks, 3 months, 4 months, that doesn't really work for SMEs. SMEs require a platform where the AI workflows can be created and can be implemented in days, at a maximum, let's say 15 days, 20 days. That should be the implementation cycle, so that they can get their ROI very fast from their investment. And the fourth, one of the most important thing which I think the SMEs actually do not focus in, is use AI when you need it. You do not require, as an SME, you do not require AI agent for every task. So that is something SMEs need to think about. So first is system integration workflows do not require AI. So if you wish to connect, for an example, Shopify and SAP B1 and tries to sync orders, so that can be achieved through a normal workflow. Orders coming in Shopify, posted in SAP B1. Doesn't require agentic, and that kind of technique, agentic AI or an agent to understand an order. Second is AI enabled workflows. AI enabled workflows are where you require, or you are using AI just to understand, just to summarize, just to analyze certain thing, and then post accordingly, and you implement that logic within the workflow. So for an example, an order coming within Shopify, now and workflow need to understand whether the customer of that particular order has proper credit limit or not, and based on credit limit, post the order within SAP. Either it will be a sales order or it will be a draft order. So this can be achieved through workflow logic and maybe a little bit of OpenAI analysis, nothing more than that. You do not require an agent. The third category is where you actually require agent, an autonomous agent, do certain actions. So all in all, if you reduce your AI requirement and limit it to where it actually needs, then you can reduce cost significantly, because every AI usage consumes tokens. And for SMEs, this token usage becomes heavier and heavier. The more they use agentic, the more they use AI nodes. So I think these are the four primary problems, and these are the four primary ways through which an SME can make sure that they are able to use AI workflow automation to increase their productivity, to streamline their business process. So that's all I have to share for today in today's Tech Talk session. Stay tuned with our channel to get such informative videos in near future. Thank you for watching.